Hey guys, Rookie Lock here, back once again. I hope everyone's having a great day as always. And today I'm going to make my entry for Chris Capune's 500 sub giveaway. First of all, Chris, huge congrats on the milestone. You really deserve it, and I hope you get many more subs in the future. But Chris wants us to pick a lock that we've learned the most from. And it took me some thinking, but I think for me that's going to be a Sargent. There's lots of other locks that I've learned a lot from, but going way back to basics, when I first started, I'm going to have to say that's a Sargent, and that's because of their good tolerances. So you have to kind of learn binding order, and you get a really good feel of a really, you know what I mean, really tightly binding pin, and that feeling when you're slowly lifting it to shear and it's grinding the whole way, and then it pops when it gets to shear line. And not to mention, you also get a bit of a lesson on how bidding can play a huge role into how difficult a lock is. I think this is the key for this. Take it back, that's not the key for it. Oh, this one looks similar, but yeah. So that's your bidding. There's lots of Sargents always have just crazy ass bidding, and these are all factory keys except for that one. So Sargent has a really high max, and this is within maximum adjacent cut spec, believe it or not. But anyway, let's try and get into this thing. I have a little bit of time here before a doctor's appointment, so hopefully I can get into this. Oh, I have to mention too that these have just standard pins, and this is a great example of a lock that is much tougher with just standard pins than it would be with spools. If this had spools in it, it'd be actually so much easier to pick, believe it or not. Hopefully I can even get into this thing. Oh, there we go. Sweet. Wow. I'm actually really surprised. I felt like I was getting nowhere. Probably picked a few pins out of order, but we got into it is the main thing. Let me adjust our setup here. We'll try to leave this open. We already saw the key, so let's lock it up. Oh, that's tight. Ooh. Whoa. Don't want to strip it, rookie. Wow, that was tight. So yeah, like I said, nothing too spectacular in here, but I'm going to take it apart just to prove it's fully pinned up. Where's that key? There we go. Again, decent bidding, but Sargents can get a lot crazier than that. But yeah, really lovely lock. One of my favorites for sure. A little grinding there on number 5, or filing I should say. That's interesting. One, two. 3, 4, 6, and 5. So it looks like I'll be in time for my appointment today. Oh, refocus. Yeah, I don't expect anything upstairs except for a balanced pin stack, so we'll see. And we'll go from the back. Six and 5. So, where's the plug? So yeah, nothing special on the plug except for a little bit of filing on the 5th chamber there for some reason. Sometimes you never know what you get. And as far as the pins, all standards. And like I said, if this had spools in it, it would be a lot easier than it is with just standards. So this is a lock that benefits from having, all standard pins, as you can see here. And where's the key? Right there. So Chris, hope that qualifies. Let me know. And again, I want to wish you a huge congratulations on the milestone. Give Suki a big hug and pet for me. And good luck to all the other all the people who are entering. And yeah, we'll see you guys on the next video. As always, thanks for your support. Yeah, hope everyone has a great weekend. Take care, guys.